Our product quality, design engineering, and level of customer service makes Mueller Company renowned as the manufacturer of the world's finest dry barrel fire hydrants. Mueller's Super Centurion fire hydrants are designed for superior flow characteristics, easy operation and maintenance, and long life. Super Centurion fire hydrants feature a unique sealed oil reservoir with automatic lubrication system, bronze-to-bronze seat mounting, reversible encapsulated main valve, full flow openings, stainless steel stem couplings, and threaded nozzles. Centurion hydrants are UL listed, FM approved, AWWA C502 compliant, and certified to ANSI NSF 62 and 372 in both 250 and 350 psi pressure ratings. Our product quality, design engineering, and level of customer service makes Mueller Company renowned as the manufacturer of the world's finest dry barrel fire hydrants. Super Centurion hydrants are manufactured in our Albertville, Alabama plant that is an ISO 9001 certified facility and are backed by a 10-year limited warranty on materials and workmanship.